Hello and welcome back. This is going to be a really short update about the progress that I've made with the 3D printer this week. A few of the things that I've done will be revealed in greater detail a bit later, because these things deserve their own video. But in short, I've gone through quite a lot of things, notably printing. I made some, well, not so great prints. I made some pretty good prints. In fact, although these have been stopped before they were finished, they were really good. I did some excellent prints. This one here, this is still stuck to the bed. I'm going to remove it in a few minutes. This print is wow. But what I did mainly was I removed the Z-axis pusher and replaced it. This was the old one. This here's the new one. As you can see from the color, this was already printed with this printer. And this is basically the genesis of each and every 3D printer, the moment when it prints its first part that it's going to consume itself. That is awesome. If you get to that point that the parts that you're making with a printer are good enough for the printer itself, that's where you want to get. I did go through 2 nozzles and 1 throat. I disassembled and reassembled the crappy extruder exactly 4 times, and I wasn't happy about it, but I'll tell that in greater detail in the next video. And this might be a bit hard to see. I replaced the step sticks on my ramps board with TMC 2208s, and wow. That is basically, that was the change. If anything was great, this was wow. These step sticks are so silent. You can't hear the printer move anymore. It's almost as if it was moving magically. There's no stepper noise. There's almost nothing. The complete gantry is so solid and so stiff and has so little vibration that you don't really hear it anymore. It's wonderful. If I just go ahead and home the X-axis, I can't home the Z-axis because it's going to run into the back here, but just homing the X-axis, there's a bit of vibration at the poster, but that's it. That was it. It was moving, and you can't hear anything. It is super silent. And not only is it super silent, but the movement is also super smooth. It's a lot better than before. And I printed this dragon with that setup. Let's see if we can get this removed. Here we go. Come on. There it goes. This here is so beautiful. This is so perfect. There's no movement in the Z-axis. There's no wobble. There's no nothing. There are a few tiny vestiges from the infill on the outside of the print. There's almost no vibration. This is so beautiful. And that's a lot smaller than the other one. And as you can see, with this one, there's no over or under extruding. There's also No stringing or oozing. This is just beautiful. The only thing that has a very slight issue is this overhang down here, because I don't have any print cooling yet, but I'm working on that. And yeah, that's already the end. This is what I was doing this week. I was spending a lot of time taking it back apart, putting it back together, getting prints, getting the whole axis vibration free, the Z-axis wobble free, and it's just come out so great. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.